So now it's time to attack the rear wheel. It's a little bit different than the case that was up front where there was just light brake dust and road debris, but back here there's an oil leak that's been spewing oil all over the tire and the rim. So I'm gonna use something a little more aggressive. I'm gonna be going for a degreaser. It works the same manner where you spray it on, agitate, and wipe off. So I'll start from the top here. Just working my way around the rim and the tire. I'll even spray a little bit on the sway bar back here because it's been coated in grease and dust and grime too. And then I'll just take my brush here and lightly agitate to help loosen up that debris. So as I'm working around the chain here, I want to take extra precaution not to remove any of the grease that's actually on the chain because that is for lubrication. So as I mentioned earlier, the tire got a lot of grease and debris on there also, so I'm going to take the degreaser, just spray it on there. And then with my brush here, I'll just scrub it to help loosen up any of that oil or filth that's on there. You can see all that grime that's coming off of there. And then I'll just go and take the towel here, wipe off all this excess cleaner and then all that filth. So now that the motor's cooled down, it's safe to take off this engine cover. Chris had mentioned that it has an oil leak, so I'm gonna go ahead and degrease all this area down here, the frame, the inside of this cover, just to get off all that filth and contaminants. But on the same way that I was cleaning the rim, I'll just spray it directly on the surface using our degreaser, and with a brush, I'll scrub it and then wipe it down with a towel. So one precaution to take while you're detailing any kind of engine is to avoid spraying directly into an intake area like behind this green cover. This is the intake for this carbureted motor right here.